Hey friends, it's Christina with Legacy Real Estate in Grove, Oklahoma. I'm excited to come to you today and let you know that I have a brand new listing. It's absolutely gorgeous property. It's over 16 acres on the shore of Grand Lake. It's a beautiful wooded lot with access to a public boat ramp. This land has so much potential, whether you are wanting to build Airbnb cabins, if you're wanting to build a beautiful estate home, whatever it is that you have in mind, there's so many different potentials for this. In addition, it also joins over 20 acres of GRDA property, so you have over 36 acres to enjoy the sounds and sights of nature. And let me tell you, pictures don't do justice because it sounds absolutely beautiful down there. You see wildlife flying into the lake, and it's just a beautiful and peaceful setting. If you would like to see this property or any other property in the Grand Lake area, give me a call. I'll put my contact information in the description of this video below. And you can see I start out at the public boat ramp, and that is just steps away from your land.